Good morning, it's Sherry Martin, and happy Friday, happy Freaky Friday. I'm going to show you some steps on contouring with our new duo sticks, all of them. And we have before you the bronze and shimmer, and then the honey luster, and the highlighter that is the pearls and gold. So I just wanted to share these with you. I want to show you how this can freak you out putting this on, that makes such a difference in contouring with your face shapes. And so I'm going to start with the honey and make sure I got the right one. The honey and luster. Okay, so I'm going to start by applying like I would blusher here. And this is with the bronzer side. And then I'm going to go back with the darker. I'm just going to go ahead and stripe it. Let's just do this a little bit fuller. Then I'm going to go back with the, wait a second. With the darker, and I'm going to stripe right here where your jawline starts to roll under. And that's where this goes, okay? And then let's fill this in a little bit. Your blush goes. And then I am going to take the highlighter, and I'm going to use the white side because it's more pink, and the gold side is more white. So I'm going to take it right above that, and then I'm going to take the gold side and stripe right there. Now the other thing I'm going to do is I'm going to take the dull side of the Honey and Glow, and I'm going to stripe, see that stripe? Under my neck. Then I'm going to draw it down like this. Okay, I'm also going to take each side of my nose, slenderize this part of my nose just a little bit right there. I wonder why we have to open our mouth when we do this kind of stuff. Okay. This trims the nose down. Right there. Okay, I want to put a little bit right through here. Then, on this side, I'm doing my foundation brush. But you can use a powder brush. I prefer this, and I start blending underneath my neck. I blend until it looks smooth. Then on this side of the nose and this side of the nose, I blend until that's smooth. Make sure you don't see any lines. Then I take the brush and I start in the middle and I start blending all the color together there. Just start blending it in so that it looks really, really natural. And when I look straight into the mirror, this looks shadowed. This, I have an area there that is full, that it sinks in, that this side doesn't have. This side looks more shadowed. My nose looks a little trimmer there. Then I go back and I use my highlighter. And I'm using the gold side, and I put a circle there. I come all the way down my nose. I blend that in. Make sure you get the tip of your nose. One more thing that I do is I call it the Cupid's bow. And if you will take this and you put this right in the Cupid's bow. Sometimes it's better to do before you put lipstick on. There you go. You see, you get your color from your glamour, not your foundation. When I started, I looked really pale, and now this side does not look pale. It's very, very blended and natural looking. This side has nothing. So now I'm going to go back in, and I'm going to do the same thing over here. Okay, I'm going to add the blush. I don't go all the way out to the hairline because I don't want it in my hairline. I will blend it in to do that. Then I'm going to take the dull side and I'm going to stripe right where your cheekbone rolls under. Then I'm going to go back with the pinkish white side right above my jaw there, right in here, to give a little glow to your face. And then I'm going to go back with the gold side under the eye. Now we're going to blend. Okay. Then I'm going to stripe here, under here. To trim down my, and have a good definite jawline. Okay, go this way and then I go up and down to get that blended in really, really nice. And the stripe that I put here, and just touch up anything you feel like needs to be touched up. You do not want to see the procedure, but you want to see the effects of the product and the procedure, but never see a line or procedure. It's very, very important, but you get your color from your glamour. So that is my tip for the day. If you have any questions or you have not gotten your dual sticks, these are limited edition and and they're going fast, very fast. I've already reordered them 3 times because I am selling the fire out of them. So anyway, if you want to get yours today, make sure you get in touch and get your order placed, because by the end of the month, these may be gone. And you don't want to miss these. Make sure you get you 2 sets, because you're going to want one for you and one to demo, or you may run out later and we don't have them after that. So like I said, this is the going thing in all the magazines. Let's be right on the cutting edge, and you have an awesome, awesome weekend. And don't forget, get your sticks.